Hello kids, welcome to DTW Tutorials Junior. Welcome. Okay, so in today's class, I'm going to be introducing to you the topic least common multiple. Okay, and I'm going to be starting with the first concept, what least common multiple is all about. You see this word multiple. Okay, it means it should take you to your multiplication table. All right. So if you, for example, now, if you ask this question, write down the first 10 multiples of 3. What it means is, what is 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, till you get to 3 times 10. Those are the first 10 multiples of 3. Okay, so it takes you to your multiplication table, which is very key and important. Please, if you're missing the multiplication table, you know, tell mommy and daddy to help you out. I'm also trying to provide a tool and workbook that will help you out. It's very important that you know your multiplication table in school, in your maths. Very, very important. So it will make it easy for you to walk through maths. Okay, not even in your primary school, when you get to your junior secondary school, your senior secondary, even in university, you need the knowledge of your multiplication step. You are going to apply it till you graduate. I am a testimony to that. Okay, I studied engineering, so definitely there's a lot of maths. But even when you do your medicine, okay, you calculate meals, how many pints of blood, how many dosage. You need maths also. So, and multiplication is fundamental and key. Okay, let mommy and daddy help you out, all right, if you're having problems with it. All right. Now, it says here, write down the first 10 multiples of the following. Now, we have 3. So it means we should do 3 times 1. What is 3 times 1? 3 times 1 is what? 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so this is 3. You should do 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, 3 times, sorry, my pen is a bit slanted. Okay, 3 times 5 is what? 15. 3 times 6 is what? 18. 3 times 7 is what? 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is what? What is 3 times 9? 27. And 3 times 10 finally is what? 30. Okay, so your first multiples of 3 is 3, comma 6, comma 7, and 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Okay, this is the first step in knowing your multiples. Then before we now go to the questions, like find the common multiples. Then you now start saying find the least common multiple. The least means the smallest. All right, and we'll get to that. All right. So these are answer for 3. So for now, for 4, I'm not going to do the times again. We're just going to write it down and put comma. For 4, the multiples of 4 is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is what? 12. What is 4 times 4? 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. And 4 times 9, 36. Then finally, 4 times what? 10 is what? 40. So these are the first multiples of what? The first 10 multiples of 4. Let us do for 5. 5 is very easy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so 5 times table is easy. When learning your times table, start with the easy one. The easy one is your 1 times table, your 2 times table, your 5 times table, your 10 times table, your 11 times table. Okay, then you now start, when you learn that well, then you go to your 3 times table, 4 times table, and all. Okay, now this is just a tip I've just dropped if you're trying to learn your times table. Okay, and one thing you should also learn is that 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, because both of them would give you what? 6. So once you know 2 times 3, you know that when you get to the 3 times table, 3 times 2 is also 6. Okay, so sorry to digress a little. Now we have here number 3 says, what are the first 10 multiples of 5? We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Sorry about space, 50. Okay. Now, what about 6? Remember your 6 times table. 6 times 1 is what? 6. 6 times 2 is what? 12. 6 times 3 is what? 18. Okay. What is 6 times 4? 24. You see that when you know 4 times 6 as 24, 6 times 4 is also 24. Do you see that? Do you see that relationship? Okay. So the 6 times 4, 6 times 5 is what? 30. 6 times 7 is what? 35. 6 times 8. What is 6 times 8? That's 48. And what is 6 times 9? 6 times 9 is what? 54. And what is 6 times 6? 6 times 6 is what? 60. I hope it's complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We missed one. Okay. This 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5. Oh, we missed 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is what? 36. Okay. 6 times 6 is 36. All right, good. Now let's go to 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. What is 7 times 3? 21. What is 7 times 4? 28. What is 7 times 5? 35. What is 7 times 6? 42. Okay. Oh, sorry, I also missed something. You can see I made an error here. 6 times 7 is what? 42. Okay. Sorry about this error. Okay, a teacher can also make a mistake. I'm sorry about this. So 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, not not 48. Okay, I think, oh, I missed two things. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, sorry about this error here. Let's do it again. Let us do 6 times again. Let me clean all this, and we do 6 times again. Okay. Okay, good. Let's do 6 times again. So 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is what? 54. And 6 times 10, 60. Sorry, I rushed here. Okay, let me slow it down because I don't want the video to be long. That's why I'm rushing, but I would slow down now. All right, so we have 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. What is 7 times 8? No, 7 times 7 is what? 49. And 7 times 8 is what? What is 7 times 8? Do you remember what 7 times 8 is? Can you remember? Do you want to guess? Okay. And you should know that in multiplication is all about adding, repetition, repetition of a number by 7. So when you get to a number and you are stuck, what do? You just add 7 to the number. Like here, this is 45. To get 7 times 8, what do? You add 7 to 49. This is 49. You add 7 to 49, and it gives us what? 56. Okay, so 7 times 8 is 56, and 7 times 9 is 63. Then finally, 7 times 10 is what? 70. Do you see that? Okay, so it's also repetition of 7. The difference between here to here is 7. Between here to here is 7. So when you add 7 to 14, it gives you what? 21. When you add 7 to 21, it gives you 28. When you add 7 to 28, it gives you 35.